Okay, we're at the Prarie Dog Fork, Prarie Dog Fork of the Red River, south of Claude on Texas 70, looking at some pretty good flooding here. We ran into some flooded fields back where we were. What do you think?
It gives you vertigo if you look down. Look at that. It's incredible. Reminds me of some of the flash flood in the arroyos in Arizona, New Mexico.
Yeah.
But I've never seen them quite this big. It's just vast. It's amazing. Blimey! Look at this! It's amazing!
Look at all
the river is just rising up and engulfing everything in its path, including us. Any moment now, we're going to drown a horrible death.
Yeah. If you want to commit suicide, now would be a good time.
I bet that water.
Goodbye, Scott. I love you.
I'm sorry.
See ya.
Yeah, now's your chance.
I'll give it mine.